Oh, okay. It's very hot. So we have to put water in this, right?
Yeah.
So how many people can accommodate inside
Here?
in one shot?
I would say maybe 10
Okay.
here.
Okay. Okay, let's get in. So what we have to do now?
Okay, so now we have the water there. Don't get scared, it's gonna make a big sound when it hits the stones.
Okay. So what happens by doing this?
All the water.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Room is getting more heat.
Yeah, we can fill these cups with water and they will just sizzle.
So they just
throughout
evaporates.
Yeah, slowly.
Okay, so what's the benefit of doing this? I know this
Sauna.
is kind of, we in India we call it like a steam bath, but this functionality is quite different than what I've seen so far. So this is throughout wooden room.
Yeah.
Like people would be sitting
I'll get us
inside.
the towels so we can sit on the top bench.
Okay. Let me pour the water.
Yeah.
Just throw like this.
Throw it there. It's almost 80 degrees.
Yeah. So we are sitting in the room where it has 80 degrees of temperature. Wow. It's too hot for the day. So what are we preparing and what is this?
That's reindeer. Reindeer bits.
Yeah, so what we do with this?
We're gonna make a reindeer stew today.
Okay.
We're gonna have it after the sauna.
So right now this is frozen one, right?
Yeah, these are frozen. They're from Lapland.
They're from Lapland, so which is the northern part of the Finland area, right?
It's above the Arctic Circle.
So what is it boiling right now?
That's gonna be the broth in the stew. We have bay leaf, rosemary, black pepper, lingonberries.
And what we're gonna do all together?
Well, it's gonna be a stew. We can show it later. Let's just let the reindeer thaw a little bit first.
Okay.
Then we fry them and put them in the oven.
So now we're all set to eat reindeer with mashed potato
And that's just crushed lingonberries.
okay.
The reindeer stew came out quite nice.
You can just show that as well, the one that you cooked.